For today's video. Umiiyak tong bulilit. So, nilabas ko siya. Tapos, ang daming bunga ng mulberry. Oh. Diba? Hinog na yung iba. Kukuha ako, papakain ko kay Yana. Eat. Put on your mouth. Put on your mouth. How is it? Gusto niya yan eh. Kinain na lahat. Very good yan ah. Yung iba. Ayun na. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Yan na, bye-bye. Say bye-bye. 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 Very good ang bebe, ah. Flying kiss? Flying kiss? Flying kiss? Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Wala sa mood. Eating kiwi yan, tsaka mulberry. Na.
Dahil alam ko, sa tunay na NBI, pag ipinutok ang kargada, ipinuputok.
Pasok ka, mapapalapang ka.